This is the very front of the ship. That is the front. Those are front-facing balconies, or window rooms actually, on this deck. On all decks, I think. But we are here on 7101. Interior virtual balcony. It is messy. This room is going to be messy, and I apologize. But you can see approximately here where we are. We're almost right in the middle in the front. Let me just start out with saying this has been the quietest room, but the most roughest. When the seas were rough, it was very rough in here. So keep that in mind. Let's turn the camera here and see the messy room. There's the queen or king size bed. Plenty of storage room here, which we're in the process of packing. There's an internet router or modem. You get your safe, but it's not the biggest. Standard air control. To me, it gets nice and cold in here. This is the bathroom door. We'll take you in there in 1 second. Here is the bathroom here in the virtual balcony room. Let's pan around. It's pretty much standard. It is messy. This is the last day, or we're leaving. Here's a look at the shower. Adjustable shower head with different jet options, which is nice. And you do have your drying line and a nice plastic or glass door. It's everything you need. Plenty of towels. It's just a little messy right now. Nice headboard. Nice TV right in line with the bed. Hooks down there that we don't ever really use. And each side of the bed has an outlet and a USB-A. Let me turn my camera here. A USB-A adapter, whereas on Utopia, the newest version of the ship, they have a USB-C. But you do have a power adapter, which is very nice on both sides. As well as these little reading lights, little cubbies here on the side. This brings you to the other closet, or wardrobe, which is definitely all hanging, which is great if you have a lot of long outfits. There was little hanging in the other one, as you saw, but this is all hanging. You get your little sofa. Little half sofa lounger. It does not turn into a bed, as far as I know. I mean, you could lay on there, sure, certainly if you fit, but there is some art. It is crooked, and I'm like, they plastered it on there like that, but whatever, it works. Plenty of storage here. It's all messy again, I apologize. You get 4 drawers, soft close, plus this other one here with the blow dryer. You can get your mini fridge or chiller. Here is the nice chair with a back, which is so nice to work or do your stuff here with. As you can see up under here, we do have outlets there. That's the light switch for the messy glass, or the vanity mirror. Another US outlet there with 2 international or European, and then 2 USB-As right there peeking out. You get the glass shelf though to put all your equipment here while it's charging. You get all the stuff here, the glass shelf here to put your stuff on your devices while they're charging. And a very nice mirror here that's backlit. What else am I missing here? There's something, oh, this balcony. Now again, this is a virtual balcony. And that means it's a TV. That's it. That's about the width there. It's not a good image this morning. There's some sort of glare, but this is of the port here, Port Canaveral. I will say during the daytime hours, it looks a lot better the quality, but at night it's almost like a grainy night vision. It is still interesting, and we leave it on and just close the curtains a little bit to have that little bit of light, and it gets brighter in the morning. It's kind of like a natural light. You can shut it off from the TV, which is nice. The TV remote. That screen does get warm, so keep that in mind. If you're trying to keep this room cool, just closing the curtains contains the heat, or you can just turn it off at the TV remote. And that's pretty much it. My thoughts on this room: I think it's a good room. It's definitely cool. It's different. I feel like it's bigger than most interior rooms. It kind of is like a balcony room, just without a balcony. But this is very much reminiscent of a balcony room on Utopia, or another big ship we've been on. And this is Wonder of the Seas. But one more quick look here of the room, in a very messy state. But again, this is the room. The forward facing is nice because, well, the seats aren't rough, it's nice. If you're prone to sea motion or seasickness, don't get a room in the front. We felt every bump, and then also you hear it as it hits the hull, like boom, and then a shuddering. We were able to sleep through it pretty well. It's not a big deal once you get used to it. This is a quieter place to get a room also. So if you're looking to not hear people, because we're right in the front, there's no cross traffic or people running, kids running across the screen or the hallways and stuff. This is like a dead end in a way, even though you could go either side where we're at. I recommend it. Just hopefully the seas are calmer for you and it's not going to be such a big issue. But yeah, this is an interior room, a virtual balcony interior room. Wonder of the Seas, Deck 7, Cabin 101, right in the front of the ship, all the way in the front. The front is convenient for entertainment purposes, so right below us is a theater, entrance to Central Park, the promenade, and I think that's it. We got entrance to the attic, like we're close to that, which is where the comedy is. The casino has an entrance kind of near here. So just go up and down in this area, and then food's kind of in the back more, or center and then up. But this is a good location. One more kind of look here. Oh, there's a princess ship coming by here. We get to see it here in the morning. Hey princess, they're open, which is nice. Well, I'll leave you here with the view of this ship pulling in on our virtual balcony. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.